Azerbaijan, and I am proud. Can you make a video about this, please?
Azerbaijan? Wow, where is that? Let's ask Dad. Mom, Dad, a friend is from Azerbaijan. Where is it?
Hello, Lily. Azerbaijan? That is a beautiful country.
People call it the land of fire.
Look here. It is between Europe and Asia. They have real fires.
And they have very yummy food, too.
Wow, that is so cool!
Guess what? I have a business trip to Azerbaijan next week.
Really? Can we go, please?
Yes, we can. We are all going together.
We will go to the Spring Festival. It is called Novruz.
I have my shirts. One pink, one blue, one yellow. And I have Mr. Brown Bear. He wants to go too.
Azerbaijan can be cold in the evening. Take a jacket, Lily.
Yes, Mom.
Your suitcase is so small, Lily.
I don't need much. I only need Mr. Brown and you.
Are you ready, girls? The taxi is waiting.
Yes, let's go! The sun is warm. The sky is blue. Good morning, Azerbaijan. Lily, look! This glass looks like a pear. It is very funny.
Yes, it is funny. And it feels good in my hand. Good morning, everyone.
There is a beautiful tower here. It is called the Maiden Tower. It is very old.
Wow, is it older than you, Dad?
Yes, much older than me.
Today is a big day, girls. It is the beginning of the Novruz Festival.
What is that green plant, Mom?
That is Samani. It brings good luck and new life. In Novruz, we celebrate spring.
I love spring. I love the sun and the flowers. Mom, what is this?
That is red cherry jam. Try it with your tea.
The tea is sweet. The jam is yummy. I love Azerbaijan. Me too. This is the best morning tea. We are walking in the old city. There are many people today. Wow, look at that tall stone tower.
That is the Maiden Tower. It is a very old and famous building.
Wow, cool! Yeah, I love it.
I'm glad you like it.
Look, Anna. Look at the giant green plant. It is bigger than a house. It is a samani, like the one on our table, but very, very big.
Yes, girls. In Novruz, big samani are everywhere. It tells everyone that spring is finally here.
The giant plant is beautiful. I like the Spring Festival. Look, Lily. A very big wheel. It goes round and round. Wow, so cool.
Are you ready for a game, girls? Look what I have.
Wow, colorful eggs. Red, blue, and yellow.
This is a special Novruz game. Pick one egg. Now, tap the eggs together. 1, 2, 3, tap!
Oh, my green egg is broken. Yay! My red egg is strong. I win the game. You win! Now can we eat the eggs?
Yes, Anna, we can eat them now.
Wow, the rocks are on fire. Is it magic? Who made this big fire, Mom?
No one made it, Lily. It is a natural fire. It comes from the earth.
This place is called Yanar Dag, the fire mountain.
When will it stop?
It never stops, Anna. It burns in the morning. It burns at night. It burns in the rain.
It never stops. Azerbaijan is really the land of fire. Yes, the flames are dancing. It smells so good. What is that smell? Look, a small shop with many cakes.
Hello, little girls. Welcome to the festival.
Hello. What is this cake, please?
This is shekerboro. It is a sweet moon cake. We eat it in spring. Try it.
Can I have one too?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Oh, wow, it is very sweet and yummy. I agree, it's so delicious.
The cakes are delicious. Thank you.
Happy Novruz to your family.
Happy Novruz! Goodbye! Look, the buildings are burning! A big fire!
Don't worry, Anna. They are not on fire. They are computer lights.
Computer lights? But they look like real dancing flames.
They are the flame towers, Lily. They tell the world that Baku is the land of fire.
This is modern fire. But tonight is Novruz. Do you want to see the festival fire?
A festival fire?
Yes, a real fire in the square. And we will jump over it for good luck.
Jump over the fire? Wow!
Come on! The festival is waiting!
Wow, look at the fire! It is so big! And look at the people! They are dancing in a circle.
Yes, girls. That is the Yalli dance.
They are very happy. They are celebrating the new spring.
Hello! The music is so happy. Can we dance with you?
Hello, little friends. Yes, of course. Welcome to Novruz.
But we do not know the dance.
Do not worry. It is very easy. Just hold hands, smile, and feel the music. Go ahead, girls. It will be fun.
We can all join. Let's go, team! Now it is time for the most important tradition. We must jump over the fire.
Jump? Over the real fire? Is it hot?
We jump very fast, Anna. It burns away the bad luck of winter. And it gives us good luck for the new year. Watch me!
Wow, Dad is flying!
Your turn, girls. We will jump together over the small edge. Don't be afraid. I am holding your hands.
Okay, let's get good luck.
1, 2. Goodbye, winter!
Happy Novruz!